रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा आमीन या रब्बिल आलमीन। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुह। In our previous class, we were dealing with number adad, and it is continued because two wahid singular and musanna tasniya dual we learned in our previous class, and today we are just going to learn jama'u plural. So plural form of an isim defines here when we speak about more than two persons or two things, we use the noun in plural. Plural number is used when the noun refers to more than two items. Examples here, Muslimun is a singular one, and the plural of Muslimun is Muslimuna or Muslimina. Kafirun is a singular one, while it has plural Kafiruna, Kafirina. Fasikun, Fasikuna, Fasikina. Shajaratun, a tree. Ashjarun is the plural of shajaratun. Qasarun, palace, a palace. Kusurun is a plural of kasarun. Jabalun, a mountain, and it has a plural jibalun. Like the same, Shariun, a road. Shawariyun is a plural one. Al-kalamu, the pen. Al-aklamun, al-aklamu is the plural of this al-kalamu. Al-kitabu, the book. It has got the plural kutubun. Kutubun. Or al-kutubu. Al-kutubu. So, this is the definition when we talk about more than two persons or things. We use a noun in plural. Our plural number is used when we refer to more than two items. These were the examples of plural. But now, here, you see, plural has got two kinds. And you also saw in the examples, shajaratun, ashjarun. It has broken plural. Qasarun, kusurun, broken plural. Jabalun, jibalun. Like kalamun, aklamun. Kitabun, kutubun. And another muslimun, muslimuna, muslimina. The singular noun is the complete in its shape. It has the same shape, and the changing what occurs, the suffix which is added in the very last, una, ina, waw sakin and nun nasab. Before waw sakin and nun nasab, there's this dhamma or rafa, and this is nominative case. We have already learned in our previous classes. And when we talk about accusative case, there is last letter is changed, the sign of the chain harakat is changed into kasra, jar, and then ya sakin and noon with nasab is added. Muslimina, kafirina. Here this jar, and then ya sakin and noon nasab, ya sakin and noon nasab, ya sakin and noon nasab. This is jar, and here the same. This is nominative case. There's dhamma. Sorry, there's dhamma, and there on dhamma there's rafa condition harakat, rafa condition after waw sakin and noon, waw sakin and noon, waw sakin and noon. Before it there's rafa position in nominative case. Muslimuna, kafiruna, fasikuna, salihuna, sadikuna, like this. And when it is broken, these are the two kinds of plural. In this connection, here it is written, when we talk about Jama'u Salim, it means not broken, it is in the same shape, it is called sound plural. And external plural is also called. Why we call it external plural? Because suffix in the very last. Suffix is also used in the last, but the waw sakin and noon is used in the very last of the word. In this connection, this one is the regular plural. While when we talk about jama mukassir or taksir, jama taksir, there's broken plural, internal plural. Why we say internal? External position was that suffix was added. Internal position, whether we add some letter in the midst of the word or we omit, we erase some letters in the midst. That's why this is internal plural, is also the name, and it is irregular plural as well. So these are broken plural, internal plural or irregular plural, jama mukassar and jama taskir. Mukassar or taskir is the synonym of each other. So this is plural, and further we have to learn two kinds, salim and mukassar, in nominative, in accusative, and in masculine, in feminine, in general ways. So let's go ahead. So here are the examples. First of the sound plural, Jamo Salim. Sound plural, Jamo Salim, are created simply by adding a suffix. Suffix is the 1, 2 or 3 letters which are used in the very last. This is syllable, one syllable, or you may say morpheme. Morpheme, one morpheme, two morphemes. Morpheme is the kind of suffix which is used in the very last. So here this one is the suffix. Suffix waw sakin and noon nasab. And here ya sakin and noon nasab. This suffix for masculine, male, mudhakkar, for mudhakkar, masculine, it is added in the very last. So sound plural are created simply by adding a suffix to the singular form una, ina for the masculine and atun, atin for the feminine. Here a noun is in one of the three different conditions, positions, status, categories. The first one is the nominative case, halat fa'ili, at the place of subject. It is also called subjective case. And halat mafauli, accusative case, at the place of object, and it is called objective case as well. And this one is the genitive case, halat izafat al majruri, jar, position, and it is also called possessive case. So these are the example of masculine first, later on feminine we'll discuss as well. So see, the one singular word is kalima is mufarad is kafirun, and kafiru tanween was dropped, changed into harkat rafa, and waw sakin and noon was added, that become kafiruna. That is the plural of kafirun. Like the same, that was kafiruna is the nominative case, while the same kafirun becomes kafiri, ra, here kasra, or ra kasra here. So ya sakin and noon nasab is added to this kafirina. That becomes kafirina, accusative case. Kafiruna, nominative case. Kafirina, accusative case for masculine, male plural. And this is the sound solemn condition. Like that, salihuna, sadikuna, alimuna, jahiluna, muslimuna. Una sound comes for the nominative case to make plural, and salihina, sadikina, alimina, jahilina, muslimina, like this. That is the accusative case. Now genitive case is the same accusative case. So the position, while we say nominative case is the single one, and single work over this task kafiruna, and kafirina has got two tasks, whether at the place of accusative case or becomes the accusative case or the genitive case. Two are the same here. So now some examples from masculine here. Yes, sorry. After completing masculine examples, here we are the some of the examples of feminine. So as I said, the suffix in the very last is used atun, atin for feminine, as we included una, ina suffix for masculine. Look at the examples. Mu'minun is the mudhakkar, and mu'minatun is a mu'annas one. Mu'minatun, ta close is omitted here, and mu'minatun, ta close, gol ta, round ta is dropped, and atun is added for nominative case. Mominatun becomes mominatun. Sadikatun, ta, round ta, this closed ta is dropped, omitted, and sadikatun, atun is added. Salihatun, salihatun, round ta is omitted. Salihatun, alif and ta with tanween, rafa tanween is added. Salihatun for nominative case. Again, here for accusative case, mu'minatun, mu'minatin, atin, atin, and round ta is dropped here. After dropping, after omitting round ta, we include alif and ta with tanween, kasra. Sadikatun, 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 sadikatin for accusative case. Round ta is dropped here. Round ta is dropped here. And atin, atin is added. This is the suffix one which is added. And suffix, the rule, prefix is the addition in beginning of the word, infix in the middle of the word, while suffix in the very last of the word. This is the morpheme which is added in the very last of the word. So, atin is added in the very last of the word mu'min, mu'min, na. Mu'minatun, mu'minatin, sadikatun, sadikatin, salihatun, salihatin. This is the accusative case of mu'annas, feminine, feminine. Here, this is the sound plural, regular plural. Regular plural, this takes external change, not the internal change in the midst of any word, but the external change in the last of the word. Maybe in beginning, but almost in the last of the word. So, in this connection, nominative case, atun, accusative case, atin, and nominative case, mominuna, accusative case, mominina for masculine. And now, again for the same, genitive case is used the same of accusative case. Genitive case is used the same of the accusative case. In this connection, this is the Jama Salim, and now we are just going to watch Jama Mukassir or Taskir.